Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SqlDBA trainer from SVS University, Society of Software Engineers. So we are planning to start a new weekend batch on Microsoft SQL Server DBA plus Azure SQL DBA, guys. This is a complete weekend batch. So we are going to start, okay, from 20th January 2024, guys. So we are going to cover complete SQL Server DBA, MS SQL DBA with Azure SQL DBA as well, okay. So this batch is going to start from 20th January, guys. 20th January from 2024, okay. So classes will be on weekends as discussed. So classes will be on weekends, guys, every Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, evening, morning 7 to 9:30 and evening 7 to 9:30 IST. Okay, the timings will be morning 7 to 9:30 and evening 7 to 9:30 on Saturdays and Sundays. So Saturday morning 7 to 9:30, Saturday evening 7 to 9:30, Sunday morning and Sunday evening 7 to 9:30, guys. So not different batches. You have to join morning session and evening session. So evening session will be the continuation session, not the same as morning. So it will be a continuation session, guys, for morning sessions, right? So duration will be 100 plus hours. SQL DBA itself will take 75 to 80 hours. If you include Azure also, it will take 30 to 35 hours more. So it will be like around 100 hours to 110 hours. Complete training, it will take 3 to 3.5 months, guys, for SQL DBA and Azure SQL DBA. So complete real-time setup with scenarios we are going to discuss. Okay, so complete real-time setup will be there, and we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so you can see here we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox, and we are going to create virtual machines. We are going to create virtual machines. I can show you now. Okay, like this. These are the previous batch virtual machines. Okay, you can see here these three belongs to one batch, and these three belongs to one batch. So like this, we are going to create VMs like in the organization, how the setup is there, a real-time setup. In the same way, we are going to create virtual machines. I'm sorry, on top of that, we are going to install Windows servers. On top of that, we'll install SQL servers, guys. Okay, so we are going to create virtual, like in the organization, how the real-time setup will be. Same way, including server names also, we are going to discuss in the real-time setup, guys. So you will get a hands-on on the real-time environment. We'll create a domain, Active Directory. I'll show you Windows cluster setup. So like lot of things we are going to discuss, guys. So in the organization, how the real-time servers will be, in the same way we are going to set up the real-time servers in our laptop, and we can practice, guys. Okay, this will be very helpful, so you don't get any fear or shiver while working with the real-time servers for the first time. So very useful setup, guys. Complete real-time setup, right? So mode of language will be English, and we are going to cover the latest versions, guys. SQL 2019 and SQL 2022, both are like latest versions for now. So we are going to cover the training completely on 2019 and 2022. And for Azure, we'll use Azure portal for creating VMs, for managing SQL databases. We'll use Azure portal, guys. Okay. So trainer profile, myself Shanmukh. So I'm having 10 plus years of SQL DBA working experience and teaching experience. And another trainer who is going to take Azure classes. His name is Vishal, and he's having around 8 plus years of teaching experience, working and teaching experience, guys. So who can learn? Anyone with a degree or diploma. So you know that if you want to jump into IT, so minimum is diploma. So if you are okay, if you have diploma, that will be fine, or any degree is fine. There is no specific degree or any computer science degree, nothing like that. Any degree is fine. Okay, degree, diploma, BTech, whatever, MTech, everyone is eligible. Okay, so a lot of people from different backgrounds like agriculture, B Pharmacy, pharmacy students, lot of people with different backgrounds. So any degree is eligible, guys. Okay, so not only a specific computer science degree, any degree is eligible. Diploma is also like BTech, MTech, anything, any stream is eligible. Okay, so anyone with diploma or degree, and prerequisites will be like basic computer knowledge is enough. So remaining, I'll take care of it, guys. So we'll start discussing from very basic level. Okay, so like I am going to take the help of the diagrams. Okay, so we'll take the help of the diagrams and we'll discuss everything. Like if you see here, this is for last batch. Okay, from very basic level, I'll explain, guys, what is machine, what is server, how the server will work, what is RAM, what is CPU, how the things will be managed. Like this, you can see this is the previous batch diagram, batch 52, guys. Okay, so I'm going to draw in front of you. It's not like I'm going to download from somewhere like that. So I'm going to draw in front of you and I'm going to explain each and every component, how remote connections will work, how work from home concept will work. Like this, you can see with the diagrams I explained. Okay, how RDP will work, everything will be discussed, guys. Okay, you can see here. So like that, with for every topic, we are going to discuss with the diagrams. I'll explain, okay, how those concepts will work, and then we'll jump into the demo, and then we'll cover some interview questions, and then I'll show you the setup, and then we are going to discuss some common issues on that, and I'll also give you some assignments on the topic. So this is how the curriculum will go for every topic, guys. Okay, you can see the diagrams for previous batch. Active directory, this is the active directory sort of setup, guys. Okay, you can see here, and log shipping, mirroring, replication, clustering, always on. So very important, these are all like HAD or advanced concepts, guys. So we'll explain with the diagrams itself. Okay, so this is how the things will go, guys. So we are going to provide, so basic computer knowledge is enough, guys, but try to be dedicated, guys, for 2 3 months. If you are serious, then I can help you, okay, in getting the jobs as well, right? So you can attend 2 3 demo classes, guys, okay, and once the classes are completed or during the classes itself, I'm going to share the notes, I'm going to share the softwares, and we are going to provide recordings for each and every class once the class is completed. In case if you are not available during the class time because of some other issues like other shifts and all, you will immediately get the recordings once the class is completed, guys. Okay, so and I'll also help you in preparing the resume and all. So and job assistance will be there. Okay, so we'll discuss everything. If you have any questions, if you are interested, then you can WhatsApp me on this number, guys. 9902590140. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. So you will get immediate response. Okay, so if you just WhatsApp me, if you are unable to reach me in the WhatsApp, you can also send an email to sourceuniversity@gmail.com. Okay, so you can send an email to sourceuniversity@gmail.com, guys. So again, we are going to start this batch from um, 20th January 2024, and okay, so this will be a complete batch on SQL DBA plus Azure SQL DBA, guys, and this is a weekend batch. And if you want, you can see some of my videos, previous batch videos in the YouTube as well. You can just go to YouTube and just type Source University. So you'll get the Source University. This is our Source University channel, guys. Just click on this, and you can see this. You can go to playlists. Okay, there you can see batch 52 is the previous batch, guys. You can see 14 videos are uploaded, and you can see a lot of videos are uploaded for related to Azure and some other courses like performance tuning and all. Okay, you can see here. So this batch, okay, batch 52 with 14 videos, you can see, you can watch it, guys. And I'll post this link in this video description also. You can watch the demo videos. We have 10 days time. Okay, so you can plan it accordingly and you can join some demos. And if you are good, if you are comfortable, then you can continue, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Okay, please subscribe to our channel, SOS University. Thank you.